What if we told you that you can have naturally red hair without the use of any harsh chemicals? Not only does beetroot make one hell of a natural hair dye, it also tends to improve the health of your hair and leave you feeling like a Disney princess. Today's video will discuss how to use beetroot and beetroot juice for hair growth. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Beetroots have always been considered a superfood. Its vibrant red hue not only makes it a beautiful addition to your dish, but also provides you with some amazing health benefits. You can also use beetroot for hair growth owing to the carotenoid present in it, which allows for better blood circulation in the scalp and nourishes the hair follicles from within. Beetroot for hair has been known to prevent hair loss as well. 5 ways to use beetroot for healthy hair. Number 1. Prevent premature balding and hair loss. Take the juice of 2 beetroots, freshly grated ginger juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it to form a paste and work it all the way into your scalp to the tips of your hair. Keep for around 15 to 20 minutes, during which you can figure out what to do with that red juice seeping down your back. Number 2. Relief from an itchy scalp. Cut up a beetroot into 2 halves and directly rub it on your scalp. Its juice will seep into your scalp and remove dead skin cells, moisturizing it from within. Leave it in for 15 minutes for dandruff and itch-free scalp. Repeat it once in a week and bask in your hair's naturally healthy sign. Number 3. As a hair mask. All you need is the juice of 2 to 3 beetroots depending on your hair length and some ground coffee. Mix both together to form a hair mask and apply it to your hair. Leave it in for an hour and then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. There are obtained beetroot uses not only to prevent hair loss but to improve the overall quality of your hair as well. Get back your hair's thickness and shine lost in so much of pollution. Number 4. Prevent dandruff. You need the juice or pulp of 2 beetroots and a half cup of neem water. Mix it together and leave it in for half an hour. Rinse it off with anti-dandruff shampoo and repeat once a week for some amazing results. It can't get any simpler than this. Number 5. As a natural hair color. We promise to let you in one our secret recipe for naturally red hair color. It's time. You need at least a cup of beetroot juice, half a cup of black tea and half a cup of rose water. Mix it all and apply to your hair for an hour. The antioxidant in the tea will leave your hair with a healthy luster and the pigment found in beetroot, which leaves stains all over your kitchen slab, will provide you with a red tint, which will last for around 2 weeks. The best thing about it is that you can repeat it as many times you want without getting worried about any chemicals damage to your beautiful dresses. Have you ever used beetroot juice for your hair? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.